If you have installed a refilled or aftermarket HP ink cartridge and observe the error message,
Ink cartridges depleted,
or ink system failure, this is typically caused by one or more of the ink cartridges not having enough ink inside. In most cases, one of the cartridges is empty, but the cartridge's electronic smart chip is telling the printer it has a full ink load. The respective error condition is generated due to error being ingested into the printer's internal printhead assembly, and the presence of ink is not being detected via the sensors inside the ink cartridge. Thus, as a safety precaution to protect the printer is shut down to avoid burning out hundreds of small electronic thermal ink firing nozzles inside the printhead assembly. Remove all 4 ink cartridges and weigh them with a scale to help determine which cartridge has an inadequate amount of ink inside. The lightest ink cartridge could be the culprit. Replace the suspect cartridge or all 4 ink cartridges with brand new HP original ink cartridges to completely eliminate root cause of both the ink volume and chip compatibility.
For more printer usage and troubleshooting tips, refer to my other videos.